Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. A grief filled Bulawayo this weekend as families and community members gathered for a mass funeral service for 12 people killed in a vehicle explosion last Thursday. The victims were traveling in a Toyota Quantum Combi bound for Johannesburg when the incident occurred near Chipangali along the Bulawayo-Esigotini road. The explosion happened around 12:45 p.m. on 16 April at the 27-kilometer peak. Zimbabwe Republic Police have confirmed that investigations into the cause are ongoing. No official findings have been released. ZRP National spokesperson Commissioner Paul Nyati said last week that post-mortems were being conducted at United Bulawayo hospitals and appealed for patients while forensic teams complete their work. Those who died include Tabani Moyo, a male adult of Old Lobengula, Bulawayo, Nobuhle Mhlongwa from Entumbani, Oscar Mhlongwa, Sicelesile Mabena from Nkulumani 5, Sibusiso Mabena, Nkulumani 5 as well, Mhlupheki Limgani Sibanda from Nkulumani 5, Titus Ncube, Precious Moyo from Pumula North, and Promise Brian Gabadela. May their souls rest in peace. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.